Let's dive into a new dating trend, the sunset clause. Imagine setting a deadline for your love life, just like you would for a work project. That's what people are doing, giving themselves a set time to find a connection or to see where a new relationship is heading. For some, it means using a dating app for 6 months, then taking a break if nothing clicks. For others, it's agreeing with a partner to check in after a few months and decide if things are moving forward. The idea? Be intentional. Don't let relationships drift aimlessly. We plan our careers and vacations, why not our love lives? It's not about being unromantic, it's about valuing your time and feelings. People are tired of endless swiping and going nowhere. The sunset clause is a way to take control, set boundaries, and check in. Is this working? Am I happy? It's a bold, modern move that's changing how people approach dating. Instead of hoping for the best, people are making plans for love. It's about being smart, not cold. The goal is to protect your heart and make dating more meaningful. So, would you put a deadline on your love life? Why now? Dating burnout, swiping, small talk, endless talking stages. People are exhausted. The sunset clause is a response. Set a time limit, give it your all, then step back if it's not working. A survey from Quack Quack found 37% of young Indian daters are trying this. It's about making dating purposeful, not just passing time. People want to spend energy on real connections, not endless apps. The sunset clause encourages honest conversations from the start. No more guessing, just clear intentions. It's especially popular with 22 to 35-year-olds who value efficiency. Most give themselves 6-12 months on an app, then reassess. It's outcome-based dating. Have a goal, use a strategy, and protect your energy. Like any trend, the sunset clause has upsides and downsides. The good? Clarity. You talk about what you want early, saving time and heartache. It helps avoid burnout. Dating feels focused, not endless. You can give it your best shot, knowing there's a break ahead. It's about balance, prioritizing love without letting it take over. But there's a flip side. It can make dating feel transactional, like a business deal. Love isn't always on a schedule. Sometimes it needs time to grow. You might rush or end something that could have blossomed. The main criticism. Can you really schedule a feeling? Love is messy and unpredictable. Deadlines might kill the magic. You risk focusing on the finish line, not the journey. Instead of listening to your heart, you're checking boxes. Is that really what romance is about? The sunset clause is part of a bigger shift. Relationships are getting more structured. Couples are doing regular check-ins, like monthly relationship reviews. They talk about communication, needs, and satisfaction, addressing issues before they grow. Surveys show nearly 1 in 5 young adults already do this. It's about maintaining a healthy connection, not just coasting. People now look for calculated compatibility. Ambition, career goals, and work-life balance matter. 41% of daters say a partner's career approach is critical. They want someone whose ambitions and lifestyle align with theirs. In a world where careers matter, you want a partner who gets it. It's about finding a teammate for all parts of life, not just romance. Structure and shared goals are the new must-haves. The modern relationship is about partnership, on every level. So, does love need a deadline? The sunset clause brings focus and clarity. No more drifting or wasted time. It's a smart way to protect your heart and set boundaries. For some, structure is exactly what they need to find happiness. But love is also spontaneous and unpredictable. The best connections often happen when you least expect them. Can you really schedule magic? Maybe not. There's no right answer. Some thrive with deadlines, others don't. The key is knowing yourself and what works for you. So, ask yourself, does love need a deadline? Whatever you choose, make sure it brings you joy. Be intentional, be kind, and don't forget to enjoy the journey. After all, love is about finding what makes you happy, on your own terms.